Gosh. I am so bored today. Tomorrow I have online school with my history class about World War II and Black History Month. Which no one cares. Hey, that brought me an idea. Today is the Super Bowl. I am going to invite my group, Tyler, and Jaden Carter over to my house. But first, I need to ask my mom about this. Hey Mom.
What is it, Gary?
Can I please invite my friends to this house?
No, you're not going to invite them. Because 1, the coronavirus is still here. 2, you're banned from watching stuff you like on TV until your grounding time is over. And 3, you're still grounded. Go back to your room.
I don't give a crap what Mom says. I'll invite my best friend, Jaden, and my group to my house no matter what. Now time to go to facebook.com and go on Messenger. Hello Tyler, Caillou, William, Gage, Liu, Raven, and Jaden. This is the God Dogs leader, Gary Sentry speaking. I'm calling because the Super Bowl is showing on CBS at 3:30 p.m. If you want to come to my house, I'll give you my address on DM. Okay, bye. Now that I'm done, time to play on my Xbox One until all my 7 friends arrive. Hi there Lou, Raven, Gage, Tyler, Caillou, Jaden, and William. Welcome to my house. Did you bros brought any food for the Super Bowl today?
Yes. We've brought nachos, a multi-pack of Doritos, 5 pizzas from Papa John's Pizza, a pack of Mountain Dew and a pack of Pepsi for the 8 of us to share. The pizza will be here in a few minutes. So let's turn on to CBS on KCBS Channel 2.
Awesome. Now let's watch it so that the Kansas City Chiefs could win just like last year in Palindrome Day.
I'll go get it.
Hello. Did you order those 5 pizzas?
Yes, I sure did, madam.
That'll be $80.
Here's the money, including the one from my friend.
All right then, Here's your pizzas. Have a nice day.
Hey bros, I got exciting news. Our pizza is now delivered.
Awesome, that's cool bro. Now we can enjoy our time watching the Chiefs win than those blind Buccaneers, yo.
Yeah, luckily, we all trapped our parents and guardians in our homes so that they won't escape.
Not only that, I also locked up my parents, my brother Flash, and my sister Ivy in the backyard so they won't break the back door.
Okay guys, stop with those chatties and let's have our spare time.
Man. Being outside is way too much for me, don't you honey?
Yes. I had enough fresh air for today, and I overheard Gary and his friends watching the Super Bowl while grounded.
I knew it was my little brother who did this. He is so gonna get it.
Same Flash. He's going to be in big trouble huge time.
Same Flash and Ivy. I'm going to kick his ass right now.
Come on Chiefs, go bust those Buccaneer fuckers down.
Yeah Caillou, I hope the Dallas Cowboys, New England Patriots, Oakland Raiders, Carolina Panthers, or the Cleveland Browns lose the next Super Bowl.
I'll get it guys. Oh. We're so busted.
Tyler.
William.
Gage.
Caillou.
Lou.
Jaden.
Raven.
Gary.
Where the hell have you boys been doing at my house during the coronavirus? You could have got infected by it, and even worse, you all trapped us in our homes. That's it, the rest of you go home while me and my husband deal with our younger son.
Oh 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 oh. Gary, how could you invite your 7 friends to our house on Super Bowl during the virus? Your friends could have get infected by you.
That's it, you are grounded until Donald Trump dies. Also, you're not going to watch The Great North because you're banned from stuff made by Fox, Marvel, Paramount, Lucasfilm, DreamWorks, PlayStation, Xbox, and Viacom CBS.